Most people choose to eat celery stalks, but the leaves and seeds of celery are also edible and beneficial. For example, celery leaves make a great addition to stir-fries and soups. Celery seeds, which can be found either in whole seed form, extract form or ground up, have impressive health benefits on their own, as they help to lower inflammation and to fight bacterial infections. In some parts of the world, celery is grown primarily for its beneficial seeds, which are actually a very small type of fruit. Celery seeds are commonly used as a spice, when crushed, and contain a special oily compound, called apiol, that is used as a flavoring agent and for its many medicinal uses. You probably often use celery, but mixed with other vegetables, and do not often consider its huge contribution to your better health. Apparently, this vegetable offers amazing health benefits, and we will give you 10 good reasons to start loving it. Alleviates and relieves inflammation. This vegetable successfully treats inflammation and relieves joint pain, as tea is rich in antioxidants and polyphenols. Also, it provides great benefits in the case of asthma, and treats acne, as it contains salicylic acid, which eliminates follicular clog. Treats bad cholesterol. The taste and aroma of celery are due to an ingredient known as butylphthalide, which reduces LDL, bad cholesterol, which causes high blood pressure. Namely, the consumption of only 2 stalks of celery a day can reduce LDL by up to 7%. Celery helps digestion. Celery is abundant in water and insoluble fiber, and it effectively regulates your stool. Its cleansing properties make it a perfect diuretic. Reduces high blood pressure. Celery is a rich source of active compounds known as phthalides, which boost the circulation by at least 14% and reduce the amount of stress hormones in the blood. Helps you lose weight. A full stalk of celery includes only 10 calories and plenty of water, so its consumption will keep you full and help you lose extra pounds. Reduces stress. Celery is rich in magnesium, as much as 11 milligrams per 100 milligrams, and this mineral is a known stress reliever. Additionally, it is high in essential oils as well. The consumption of this vegetable will soothe the nervous system and will also help you fall asleep easily. Regulates alkaline balance. Celery prevents the acidic state in the body, so its regular consumption will maintain a balance of the pH levels in the body. Improves your sex life. This vegetable is high in 2 sex pheromones, androstenone and androstenol, which are released while chewing. This will significantly boost the arousal levels. Fights cancer. Celery has a flavonoid known as luteolin, which delays the formation of breast cancer cells, and inhibits the growth of cancer cells, especially in the case of the pancreas and colorectal cancer. Also, you should know that the darker the color of the celery, the stronger the taste. Note that you should steam the celery for best effects, as in this way, you will manage to preserve its original taste and up to 99% of its nutrients. The nutrients will be also better preserved if you chop it while fresh and store them in the fridge. Celery recipe. Compared to boiling, roasting, or blanching celery, steaming celery keeps more antioxidants intact. Celery's compounds, including its flavonoids and polyphenols, are delicate nutrients that can be lost when you overcook celery. So it's best to eat celery raw or to lightly cook it, such as steaming celery for a few minutes to soften it. Not sure what to do with celery once you've bought some? Try adding some to a salad, tuna, salmon, egg salad, a big pot of soup, stir-fry, smoothie or juice, or just have some as a healthy, low-calorie snack. Many people like to eat celery raw with some nut butter and raisins as ants on a log. Ants on a log recipe. Total time, 5 minutes. Serves, 2 to 4. Ingredients. 1 bunch celery, chopped. 4 tablespoons sprouted cashew butter. 1 to 2 tablespoons raisins. Directions. Cut celery into 4-inch lengths. Spread cashew butter in celery. Place raisins on cashew butter and serve.